Give your mind a break. Don't think, just move. The JRNY app with motion tracking is now here. True personalization comes to the SelectTech dumbbells, now for everyone. And we mean everyone. There's no new equipment to buy. JRNY uses the camera from your own tablet to capture and count your reps as you complete them, allowing you to stay in the moment.
Hello and welcome to your workout today. Are you ready? Let's go.
A balanced body is key to long-term fitness. With each move, our responsive form coaching analyzes you and provides real-time feedback that assists the perfect form to keep you progressing and exercising just right. Stay focused and fully immersed while JRNY automatically logs metrics just for you.
All right, get all those reps in.
Adaptive weight targets remember and recommend when to increase or decrease your weight the next time you perform an exercise.
Hey JRNY, change my weight to 10 pounds.
JRNY, with motion tracking guided workouts, redefines personal training at home, guiding and correcting your form in real time, boosting your confidence, all while reflecting a view of yourself to make accurate adjustments immediately. Hey, some days you're feeling it, some days you're not. And just in case you pushed a little harder or took your foot off the gas, because that's okay, simply say, "Hey JRNY," to adjust your weights and reps after each circuit.
Hey JRNY.
Hey JRNY. Hey JRNY, change my reps to 6.
This is personal training and tracking that's fit for you. Find your own definition of what success means with JRNY.
Every rep gets you closer to a better, stronger version of you.
Free your mind, align your body. This is JRNY with motion tracking.